Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes that we offer. Every Thursday morning, my first online class starts at 7 o'clock London time. Very early. This means I have to drag myself out of bed at the crack of dawn, usually around 6 o'clock, and then I have a quick shave and a shower, and I manage to get myself downstairs, make a large mug of tea, and then I start teaching. To be honest, most weeks at the beginning of the class, the conversation I have with my students goes something like this. They see me and say, "Hi Hugh, how are you?" And I reply, while rubbing my eyes, "Oh, yeah, I'm okay, it's a bit early. I'm still half asleep, to be honest. I could really do with another hour or two in bed." If you say that you could do with something, or you could really do with something, it means that you really need it. You think you would benefit by having it. In the same way, I had to take my cat to the vet this week because we were a bit worried about her not eating. And the vet gave her a checkup and basically said she was okay, although the vet did add she's a little bit on the skinny side. She could do with putting on a little bit of weight. It wouldn't hurt if she put on a little bit of weight. It would be good for her if she did. In the same way, when you're cooking, you might taste something and think, yeah, it's okay, but it could do with a little bit more salt. Or someone might offer you some work, and even though you're really busy at the moment, you think, yeah, I should probably take the extra job because I could do with the money. If you have enjoyed this video, click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of things you could do with.